Namaskara. Now, I am teaching Padmasana. Padma means lotus. Asana resemble the lotus, hence the name. Those who have undergone knee replacement, knee surgery and hip surgery and ankle surgery should not go for the practice. And after 60 or 65 years, better to avoid this asana. If you are beginner in the practice, if you have flexibility in the beginning itself, you can do, or else you should not overstrain the joints. Others, all of them can practice this. This asana prevents legs pain, varicose veins, inflammation, neuropathy, etc. This is an essential asana for weakness and increase ability of walking. Let us see how to do this asana. First, you should straight the legs front like this. Then fold the right leg and rest your right foot on the root of the left thigh here. Then you should fold the left leg and rest your left foot on the root of the right thigh like this. You should touch the heels to the stomach. You should touch the heels to the stomach. Then you should keep the hands straight. Then adopt chin mudra and hands. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with the normal breathing. Then inhale and release. Should exhale when you start this asana. Should maintain normal breathing in the position. Then you should inhale and release. This is breathing pattern. Should practice for 60 seconds. Then inhale and stretch the legs front and relax. Then you can do with opposite leg. Fold the left leg and rest your left heel on the stomach. Then fold the right leg and rest your right heel to the left stomach like this. Stay for 60 seconds with the normal breathing. Then inhale and release. Sir, I can't do Padmasana. I don't know how to do. You can try in other method. I'll teach you. You should fold the right leg like this. Then you should take right leg here only. You should keep the right leg up. Then take the left leg like this. Then you should take like this. Very easy. You should put it upwards only. And then you can take the legs down. Count for 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Then you can release. Should practice daily. Then it become a hobby for you. You can stay for 1 minute. Somebody will ask the question, sir, shall I do meditation in Padmasana, pranayama in Padmasana? You can do. If it is eligible, if it is comfort for you, you can do. No problem. But you should practice daily. Practicing for alternate days or once in 4 days, 5 days causes to some problems. So better to practice daily if you want to do for meditation and pranayama and all. Or else you can do 1 minute only. One minute is For right leg, 1 minute is for left leg. If it is not possible, you can do with one leg only, like it. Ardha Padmasana, it's called Ardha Padma. It also called Swastikasana. You can do like this, don't worry. Yoga is not for competition, it is for good health. Practice Padmasana daily and get full benefits. Happy time.